Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journeys with you. So in today's video, we'll be talking about my failing Christmas challenge. I'll also be sharing what I'm doing in the Christmas challenge with that money, showing you how I'm budgeting, what I'm doing with my Christmas challenge money, because we already started buying Christmas presents for this year and they're all in the post, so hopefully they arrive before the post goes mental. Our Christmas challenge. It really pains me to say we are not going to be on track on our Christmas challenge. Since the last video, it's really been difficult for us to stay on track. Now, I used to have a good job with a good salary. I was made redundant from that due to everything going on. And I found a 0-hour contract to try and pay the bills, but that's on minimum wage. And a 0-hour contract means 6 o'clock at night they can tell you, sorry, you don't have to come to work tomorrow. And that really made it very difficult for us, because for 2 weeks since the last video, I only got half my hours, which means I only got half the pay. So instead of the normal 500 I would have expected at my last job, I'm now taking 300 a week on minimum wage. But no, wait, they didn't employ me for the whole week, so I only got £180 for the week, which is a really big cut from what we are used to. And even with all the cutbacks we have made, it's been really tough, because I have to save, between me and my husband's salary, £250 every single week to be able to pay our bills at the end of the month, because all our deductions go off on the first of the month. So it's really making sure every week I put away £250 for that. I also need to ensure that I pay £60 per week for my daughter's childcare to ensure that I can go to work. So yes, it's been really tough over the last 3 weeks. Now, I found another job which, as far as I know, I should be full-time employed from Monday to Friday, every single week till end of Christmas. But this is another 0-hour contract, so fingers crossed, hope for the best that I won't be ending up in the same situation I am now. But I know I'll have to start looking for another job soon, because January is just around the corner, and who knows, maybe I might not have a job. We'll have to wait and see after Christmas what happens. And then it's in the week of the move over from the one job to the other job. So in that week I also didn't get paid every single day. I only got paid for 3 days, which has really given me 3 weeks of not good income. And that's made it impossible for us to keep on track over the last 4 weeks. But fingers crossed, everything is going upwards now, and hopefully over the next few weeks I can actually try and save up the money I've missed over the last 3 weeks, and let's see how it goes. If you like my channel, please give me a big thumbs up to support my channel so I can share my content with a lot more people, so that I'm able to assist more people with saving, budgeting and sharing what I'm doing with my investments. So this is my Christmas challenge spreadsheet. So as you can see, everything in green is the previous videos I made where we've saved all that money. Now for this video, I should have been able to save the 36, the 37, 38 and the 44. But so far, the only one I've managed to save is the 37. So if we change that to red so it stands out, you'll see that I'm still short 3 weeks. I should have saved in the last 4 weeks £155, but I only managed to save the 37. So this is how my account stands at the minute. So cash amount, I've got £80. In the bank, I've got £230. And then what I've used so far is £433. Now, my husband took £160 for me for Christmas. What he's done with it, I don't know. But I have given him that £160 to put on his credit card, because he's already done most of the shopping as far as he said. Now for my daughter, I've done a lot of her shopping as well. Now she wanted a starlight, so there is nice stars in her bedroom when she goes to sleep. So I've gotten that. Then she wants a Just Dance as well, so I already bought that. And then I got her some wristbands for the game so that she can easily play that. Then there's the Mario Deluxe game that she wanted as well, which we've also got. And then she wants some Heelys. I'm not entirely sure what Heelys is going to cost. So I'm looking at around £50 for that. That's my estimated price. I'll be having a look at that. And then obviously I'll get her some stocking fillers as well. But that is what I've spent so far on my daughter. Now for my husband, he's really keen on making his own wine at the moment. So I got him a few bits and bobs to help him with that, to make the process a bit easier for him. Then I also got him Warhammer 40,000 books because he really loves reading. And if I buy one book, he won't just read it once, he'll read it a couple of times. And then I made a contribution for his PlayStation because he is a bit short on buying his PlayStation because there isn't anything he really needs this year at the moment. So I thought, that is something he really wants. Let me rather give him a bit more money towards that. Then at least January when there's sales, he will have enough money to go buy his PlayStation that he really wants. So that means I have used £433. Now if I can manage to save the rest of the money that I need to save, plus the money that I haven't saved, there will be over £500 left for me to be able to do nice Christmas dinner and a few extra bobs for the day, and also making sure we've got some alcohol for Christmas as well, a lot of sweets and all the niceties to eat, because over Christmas we always indulge a lot. We do spend a lot more on food for the Christmas season, so that will definitely help us with all of that. And if I do my budgeting correct, we might even have a bit of money left over to add on to our stocks as well by the end of Christmas. I'll leave a link below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.